Ndiyabulela kumkani ndiyabulela mfundisi ndibulele ifamily and all members who are here today. I came to just pay my respect to the family and to all the victims of the floods in Umtata. And when we were told that one of the victims is being buried today, we thought it was important to just show face and say, Tukumama, you are not alone. We are with you. And we are going to support all the victims of these floods. Government has taken out more than $1 billion to deal with these floods. But we know Eastern Cape, if we don't pay attention to that billion, it's going to disappear within a week. So we as the EFF must make sure that money is used correctly and is used for the victims of the floods and to fix the infrastructure. We are going to go to all centers where the victims of floods are staying to see what we can do to improve their situation. Many of them are school children. They don't have uniform. Their clothes were washed away by the water. So we need to make a plan to give them uniform and give them proper clothes. Some, their furniture is gone. Some, their houses have collapsed. All of those people, their names must be properly captured and government must build proper houses for those people and restore their dignity. So we are here to say to government of the Eastern Cape and the national government, we are following the money and we want to make sure that the money is used correctly to deal with the pain of the people of Eastern Cape. So once ukumkana tetile, mina can't say much except to say we are here as the EFF, even when we leave every family that has got bereavement. We have things that we live with them, not because we'll bring back the life of the young one, but because we are saying to the family, we are with you. I don't know how it feels, Mama, to bury your own child. I'm sure you had many expectations, especially for a young man who was disciplined and was a student, did not die of Nyaupe. You were looking forward to this child improving this family.